Welcome here, all people, to Week Mix Plus. If you're new here, turn on the notification bell and subscribe. Enjoy today's update.
Hello lovely people, bless you for coming. Another update on our board here. So today I'm taking you straight to Chioma and Davido's camp. Davido celebrates Chioma's 30th birthday in a grand style, gifted her diamond bracelet, brand new car and other luxury items, and I just want to share the moment with you. Various clips and images flying on the media top like crazy, and you need to watch this. It is beautiful. I don't want to waste your time as we're going through. Believe in your comment, your like, and do all to share for more people to see.
I'm trying not to. It's okay. Now that we posted that. That's funny. Come on. And I love that. So Chioma, enjoy your 30th birthday. As we do 30, we go do 40. Yes, so as we do 40, we go do 50. As we do 50, we go do 60, 70, 80, 90.
Happy birthday again. And this is your new car right here. It's a G63 AMG factory mass black. Especially made. Congratulations and we wish you all the best. Thank you. Open that motherfucker! Open that! Let this space. Let it Wow, guys. So Father's reached out a few days ago and say, hey Jay, do what you know how to do best and make my wife happy. And you know, in 48 hours, we made it happen. Happy birthday, Chef G. Thanks for being an amazing mother, amazing sister, amazing wife, and amazing friend to all of us. We love you, we cherish you, Mr. Jotos love you, and personally, before David takes over his gift, this is $10,000 cash from you. Happy birthday again. Thank you. And this is your new car right here. It's a G63 AMG factory. Especially baby. Congratulations and we wish you all the best. Thank you.
Very much for staying true to this end. I believe if you enjoyed today's update, what you got to say, leave your comment below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. My name is Andy. Let's meet on another update. Bye bye.
Welcome here, all people, to Week Mix Plus. If you're new here, turn on the notification bell and subscribe. Enjoy today's update.